Understanding, retire in peace. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, retire in peace. This phrase carries a lot of meaning and aspiration for many people around the world. It's not just about retiring from work, but it's about how you retire. So, let's explore what it truly means to retire in peace, and why it's a significant goal for many. Retire in peace combines two key concepts, retirement and peace. Retirement usually refers to the point in someone's life when they decide to leave their job or career, often due to age. It's a major life transition, marking the end of a long period of work. On the other hand, peace suggests tranquility, freedom from disturbance, and a state of mental and financial stability. When we talk about retiring in peace, we're envisioning a retirement life that's free from worries, especially those related to finances or health. The idea of retiring in peace is appealing because it embodies the ultimate reward after decades of hard work. It's about achieving a lifestyle where one can enjoy leisure time, pursue hobbies, spend time with loved ones, and live without the stress of financial insecurity. Financial peace is particularly emphasized, as it means having enough savings, investments, and resources to cover living expenses and healthcare without the need to work further. Achieving a peaceful retirement requires careful planning and decision-making. It involves saving and investing wisely, building a robust financial foundation over the years that can support your lifestyle in retirement. Healthcare planning, ensuring you have access to medical care and that your healthcare costs are covered. Lifestyle choices, considering where and how you want to live during your retirement years. This can include downsizing, relocating to a more peaceful location, or living close to family and friends for support. Emotional preparedness, adjusting to the retirement lifestyle and finding new purposes and hobbies to keep life fulfilling. Retiring in peace is a universal aspiration that goes beyond just leaving the workforce. It's about entering a new chapter of life with stability, joy, and fulfillment. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to retire in peace, and how you can work towards achieving this goal in your own life. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start planning for a peaceful retirement. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a future of peace and happiness in your retirement years.